Now, the United States has tax breaks for small businesses and emphasizes entrepreneurial endeavors. There is a reason for that. Now, if you look at it, what an elephant can do, a mouse cannot do. But we have the mouse and we have the elephant. Now we have less and less elephants, but almost the same number of mice, or more mice. Less elephants and more mice, right? Is that what it is? Of mice and men? I don't know anything about it. Now I said the moat is treacherous. The barriers to entry has fenced you in, but the world is not fenced in.